Let's go ahead and code out 2 quick tests, and then I'll work through with you on organizing those tests and cleaning up all the page objects so that they are smaller and more readable. So got my IDE here. Let me pull up the web page on the right hand side so that we can look at it while we do some coding. So bear with me as I just coded this out, and then I'll explain everything after. As always, I'm going to start by writing the test using test-driven development methodology, and then we will do the implementation. So for the first test, I'm thinking of just clicking on one of these buttons and making sure that it goes to the appropriate page. So let me write that test. Okay, so here is the skeleton of the first test. What I've done is obviously created a new instance of the complicated page. We navigate to the page, and then I have a validation point where I check that the complicated page has opened successfully. Afterwards, I'm going to click the first Twitter button. And over here, I was struggling a little bit, trying to decide what should I do. Should I validate that we've successfully navigated to the Twitter page? And then I thought about it and said, no, that's not really necessary because the Twitter page is none of our concern here, and I don't want to take you guys down a different path. So rather than doing that, what I've done is asserted that the complicated pages at method returns false. So meaning that we have actually left the complicated page and we are on a new page. And that should be sufficient enough to tell us that the Twitter button was successfully clicked. Now let's go ahead and actually implement all of this code.